Kumam Gallery, I know the first, I think, TikTok platform maybe was so popular. Toto major yes, there were other groups, but social media. So exposing the things. We got a lot of calls from friends where some of them were our members, and finally, get a team of groups, get the take the saving groups, get a yami media kano, encouraging Kumam Iribere. So we really want to appreciate ourselves for that. Kede community dede. Medi wimano okoti mosako ana okaya moneuni otimo sako ni still ikigengo jode do di social media letting at more auto ture okoya meti omiti joining o Kumam Gallery no dano neno jamina timere eko binokene. Then he continued by saying we elaborate with other form beneficials that we elaborate with other formed beneficial groups so that the word is collaborate. We collaborate with other formed beneficial groups so that we learn from each other. Vision, make Kumam Gallery Chebe to become the leading digital platform for Kumam cultural expressions, innovation, and community engagement. Mission Watiebe to promote and preserve the Kumam culture, traditions, and artistic expressions through digital media and community building. Magoda take explaining okimaro kuno kile Kumam. Objectives arabo gimote planning mitotimo. It says our objective is to promote, preserve Kumam culture, traditions, and artistic expressions through digital media and community engagement. To educate, inspire, empower the community through community engagement and digital media. To help members build wealth through collective saving and investment. So, those are the objectives. There are three Manome Kumam Gallery. The core values, our core values are 1. War, Timokisa, Arabo, feeling for the other, empathy. Sasiro, a code of integrity. Integrity, obedo, respect, Arabo, war, komikele woro, yotel dedede. Angata moronge ogonyo nakano integrity kede kumamuda apoyo sana. Okouta accountability. Nyoino no more timo do eduogo but jo benyo. How does it come back to the community? Then that one, Koyambe, to take responsibilities of individuals and collective actions. Growth, mano makereke de domo. Saving group, the purpose of saving group is to promote development. Arabo domo. Omeo Kumam Gallery, oteke de chingo ngwon. Ebedo chengo discussing Arab me otatamo kede kopa makereke de nyo, kede domo. Mano, one of our values. Challenges faced so far. Challenges mo take Arabo peki ni mebe roneno geno mogeo timo kede group ni mwakacha gudu tomi Kenya uni Kenya 2024. Cheli ko mgiobedo peko mesente mewilo machines so mineno polotet kidi isimu nati nogi don't yejo offering owanyo some of these items. So we take the peko mesente mewilo equipment bala camera, microphones, laptops kidi jamina part. So peko no inatie singso inaduong sana sente otamo keto atitidi moti yekede dopo lilika eromo. Aya, mano kopa makere kede Kumam Gallery gurupu metoto mejo tiekede jodedede atenga tamoro kene romo donyo tuwa Kumam Gallery tek dichunyo winyo dopo boda akai neno be jamne moti moli ayo mochunyi bobi twero ya ida bomonyo ngata moro ya monibe duogi. Now pio oneno mago oteke the challenges godete okobedo piny boko yambe dona objective wachia yamo be growth. Take the value of market the growth, collective savings. So what can we do? Okobedo pi mano idwe meto miare mwaka cha 2024 obedo piny kende bala members atuno tomon members kogo ibe oge ununyo saving group so kuma mgalari saving Kampala okogere. So the purpose of the Kumam Gallery Circle and group is simple yet powerful. The purpose is to create a secure, inclusive and sustainable savings